I'm so happy you are here, continuing to create this journal that marks a special transition in my life. In the last video, we printed my Enchanting Beauty digital kit and decorated them with ephemera, pockets, and scrapbook paper. And now we're adding the final embellishments, floral laces and trims for tabs. I have sewed them in place as well as all the pockets within the pages. I also included fabric flip outs for secretive journaling. Hey guys, this is my happy mess on my desk right now. But really what I wanted to show you all is this new cover that I'm working on. It's so pretty! This is the back of the new journal I'm working on. And I just love everything about it. I'm using Mexican embroidered linens and just a bunch of other little fabric scraps that I had. This is so cute. I love these little X's that I did with my sewing machine. Yeah, I'm just so in love. So in love. Hey guys, I'm so excited because I'm getting ready to film the flip through of this new personal junk journal that I've done. It's all complete. I can't wait for you guys to see it. And behind here we have a basket of props. So I am gonna do like a little cute little outdoorsy intro. I probably won't use all of them, but I just gathered these things I have in my house as just some form of inspiration, and let's see what happens. Here is the completed journal. This is such a special journal to me because I feel like it's changed my life. I hold it so close to my heart because I created it on my 30th birthday, a pivotal point in my life. And like the flowers surrounding me in this garden and on my journal, I want to bloom into my true self. Encontrarme de nuevo, finding myself again within the pages of my new journal. It was necessary for me to make changes that align with who I really am. And so I broke a routine that suppressed my physical and mental health and a job that I couldn't identify with. Designing is what I love to do, and it's how I express myself. In this new chapter, I've promised myself to respect my choices, my needs, and my wants the same way I do so for other people. It's hard to make our lives what we really want them to be, especially when we're stuck in that daily grind. But I'll link an inspirational video below of Jim Carrey's speech where he said, "You can fail at what you don't want, so you might as well take a chance on doing what you love." I decided to make a sister journal, and I made one for you, to help you navigate any transitional point in life you might be going through, or simply to accompany you while you figure it all out. Finding yourself again is a beautiful thing, especially now that you have all those past experiences to rely on, to make better decisions for yourself and to honor your well-being. Here's a journal flip through that I have faith will inspire you to bloom into your best self. I'm so happy you're here with me on this journey, and beyond excited that I could be in yours in this way. The journal is available now on Etsy, and I have my Etsy shop and the description on this journal in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for supporting my art and my new journey. Please subscribe if you haven't already, because I have so many projects that I can't wait to share with you. See you next time.